How to deposit check at ATM Bank of America. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Unfortunately, we hate to break it, but Bank of America ATMs currently do not have the capacity to deposit check. Alternatively, there are a couple of things that you can do. So firstly, you can locate a Bank of America branch near you. Most of the branches have self-service deposit machine. You can insert your check into the machine following the on-screen instruction. Once the machine has processed your check, it will provide you with a receipt as confirmation. If you have any issue with a deposit machine, or if you prefer to deposit your check directly with a teller, you can approach a teller at the branch as well. They will require you to present some of the identification and your account detail. That is how you'll be getting the chance to deposit a check on Bank of America. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.